Hi, welcome to Math Test Prep, where today we're going to answer a standardized math test question, Understanding Discount. A television originally cost $T including tax. Ricardo purchased the television when it was on sale for 35% off its original cost. Which of the following expressions represents the final cost in dollars of the television Ricardo purchased? So first we want to identify that we're finding 35% off a television set and we're paying less. So we're taking away, it's a discount. We want to take it away from the original cost, which we don't know what that original cost is. It's $T. So the variable T represents the cost of the TV before we got our discount. So when we take away our discount, we're subtracting 35% of the TV. So we want to find 35% of the value of the TV and take it away from the cost the TV was purchased originally for sale at. So when I look at this algebraic expression, I look over at my answer choices and I can see that choice A resembles this, but it's missing the T on the second one. So it's saying to subtract 35 cents, basically is what this is saying. It's not even 35% of something. It's just 35 cents. So it's not that. In part B, we're adding on what is no variable here. So it's not 65% of a number. It is, we're adding on 65 cents. So we know that that won't work. So now I have two choices. I have 0.35, which could also be 35% of T. Because remember, of means to multiply in math, and 35% written as a decimal is 0.35. And we have choice D, which is 0.65 T, or 65% of T. So reminding you that when we find percent of something, we multiply the decimal value of the percent times that amount. So now if I come up here back to my algebraic expression and remind myself that I'm looking for that final cost, and I can recognize that the variable T has an invisible coefficient of 1. So 1T subtract 0.35T are like terms. They both have the variable T and they both have the same exponent. So I can subtract the coefficients. So 1 subtract 0.35 is 0.65T, which makes sense because if we look over here, an alternate way to think about this is instead of paying 100% for the TV, we're going to take away 35% of the TV's cost, which is 65%. So I'm going to pay 65% of the TV. So let's go back to what that means mathematically. 65% written as a decimal of multiply the cost of the TV, T. So there's our answer, choice D.